Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on video pins downloads on your accounts on Pinterest easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here and now click settings, now click social permissions and here we'll find it, video pin downloads. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on. And that's it, that's how to turn on video pin downloads on your account on Pinterest easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.